Yes, Mom.
Well, I call you down here. I want you to go to Operation Friend so you get new friends.
I'm okay.
Good luck having new friends, honey.
What I'm going to do now?
Hey Dalla.
Hi, do I know you?
Dalla, it's me, Sarah.
Oh, we haven't seen each other. We like 10 years old. By the way, how is your
We
boyfriend?
broke up 3 days ago. I heard that you and Autumn are together. I'm happy for you guys. When did you two got together?
Well, 1 week ago she asked me out at homecoming.
I'm transferred to Beyond High School. I'm in 9th grade.
That's the school I'm in.
Really? So do you want to hang out, like take walks and all of that? Are you ready?
I guess. Well, that was fun.
See you in school, Dalla. I'm happy to see you again.
Bye, Sarah. Me too.